Yeah, I come to Home Depot buying the garage door opener here, and I bought the Chamberlain. Cost about $229 with smartphone on here. And here is the Genie one. They have a battery backup also. Yeah, okay. This is what I'm gonna get and install myself here. Well, this is my old Craftsman garage door opener. It's been over 20 years. Still working, but you need to update. So I'm gonna update this Chamberlain smart using iPhone smartphone, and gonna replace it, put a old one. Okay, let's start do it. Okay. Yeah, first you want to shut off the power. So you want to disconnect this. Okay. That one is off and drop it. Top picture said. No, I'm removing my garage door opener here so I can put a new one in. So here is okay. Very heavy, so oh my god. There you go. Well, I disassembled my garage door here. So let's see, I can putting a new one. Hopefully not too hard, too long to take. Okay. And another remote here. Okay, let's see what's going on. The garage door open here. That's a good young one for the return wing. So this is the kit, I assume probably the same. Home Depot wanna charge you $150 to install, so this is all the kit. So Home Depot wanna charge you $150 to install it. That's not even include tax. So let's start do it. When you install the sensor, so need to loose this first. Okay. So I'm losing my old one, so you can replace the new one. So okay, so this is my old one. This is it. And I'm gonna put a new one in. Okay. Well, I'm running some wire first, my sensor, before I hook it up. So it's gonna take a while. Here. Screw about. Have 16 rings, use it. Hopefully I don't have to change a lot of stuff. The hand tight. Cost me $250 this one. Okay. Brand new, so. So I wired this from my remote, and this for the garage door. Black is black, white is white, and red is red. So hopefully it's work. Okay. Well, this way you put the cover here, and I just lose this screw here. So I had to do the best I can. Got 3 screws here, and then put on the cover, and just like that for the belt. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it. So I installed the cover. All you do is finger tight it, make sure that's all it is. And if you hire somebody out to do it, they charge you about $200, about the same amount here. And also this spring here, you want your belt. I think you have, it's not, you want at least 1.5 inches from the end here. So to me it's like 1.5, so that should do it, okay? So you don't want your belt to be too tight or loose, tight or tăng pe. So you want to follow the menu, okay? Open, press the top button.
Is it open or locked?
So I'm gonna press it, go down, so you can see where it's gonna catch it. I'm testing out my garage. Okay.
Go up.
Now I'm gonna go up. See? That's how you work. It seemed to work. There you go. Okay. Open up. So just got a program. Just got to put a new one in there. So now the mic can be on. Well, you want to buy the garage door spray loop. So make the garage go smoother. Okay, but I maintain the home. Also the spring here. My remote here. There's a spring belt here, so should be 1.5. Well, this is where your tension. The belt, so you want about 1.5, so come out with tăng pay or loose pay, so it should work fine. So just got it done today, and brand new Chamberlain. So $250 from Home Depot. Well, the garage door opener, it came out with I have 2 remote control here, and also you can download an app, put on your phone, put on a phone, and then barcode you can control from your phone also. Okay. Take me about 2 hours. Taking about 2 hours to install. Not too bad. Just follow directions step by step, and easy to do it. Bye bye. I'm gonna test it out. It seemed to work fine and quiet. Put some grease in there, make adjustment. Okay. Run nice and smooth. And if you hire somebody to do it, cost about $200, they said. So